So I'm Xavier Dea, I'm the founder of MyFit Solutions. So MyFit Solutions develop custom tailored tips. So tips that you just plug into your preferred earphone. So the idea is really to provide the customer with a perfect comfort, a perfect fit, you can move and doesn't fall anymore and hurt anymore, and it improves the sound quality. And how we do it, how we obtain the shape of the customer directly through a 3D scanning application that we have developed. So we directly scan the ear of the customer with the application. Then our software analyze the shape and the size of the customer, and then it's 3D printed and directly shipped to the customer in 7 days. So you can scan and deliver everywhere in the world. So we are very happy to be in the CES thanks to the Région, because they help us to come here and provide the ability to talk to the world and to a lot of distributors and retailers to go widely, and this is really what we are looking for being here at CES.